Okay, we're fishing with this little swim bait, and Charlie's existing here. What do you want to say? Anything else?
Rate the sweater on a scale of 1 to 10.
Let's see it. You're not even facing me. Hold on. Keepers only trout slayer. Nice. In salt water, of course. Of course. We still gotta walk back. We're gonna get lunch.
How far is the lunch place?
It's literally just right there. Okay, but yeah.
Is it like takeout or is it like an actual restaurant?
Good question. I don't know. It's food.
That's true.
Okay, wanna go down?
Yeah, but I